Yes, good afternoon, students. Due to the network issue, the streaming was not possible in the morning, so we are taking the lecture in this time. Okay, so yesterday's lecture there was some issue with the live streaming only. So what I have said that you ignore that lecture, and in the night. After some technical issues are solved with the YouTube, that lecture is working properly. Now it is based on your network connection, that how is your network connection to see that video. So if you are not getting the video, see 2 or 3 times by forwarding or backwarding. Otherwise it will not stream properly, because there is so much of network issue and so much of network traffic on YouTube. So please, if any one of you is not possible still to watch that video, that is number 006 12006, then you may forward or backward it and then you watch, because it is the problem with the YouTube and with the network. It is not problem with us, and today morning it is the problem with the network. So now that problem is been solved. So okay, now we are starting our classes. Okay. So yesterday we have learned 3 new formulas for the big sums, that is Laspien, Paasche and Fisher. Let us revise its formulas. Okay. IL, that is Laspien, IP, that is Paasche, IF, that is Fisher. Now one more thing, how you remember this formula? As I said yesterday, you remember, just think this thing, P1 upon P0 into 100, see, for both. And keep some space here, and here that is a different thing. Now keep sigma in the front. Okay? Then for Laspien use 0, so Q0, and for Paasche Q1. This is your formula. Your formula is totally right. Now for Fisher, the geometric mean of both IL into I. Okay, and you have to make the columns in this way only. Extra 4 columns which I said, P1 Q0, then P0 Q0, then P0 Q0, then P1 Q1, and lastly P0 Q1 in this way. Now friends, to understand broadly yesterday's sum, we will do one illustration also with that. Okay. So in your textbooks, we have an illustration to solve, because it will be needed for every one of you. So illustration 12 on page number 20. Now why we are doing this? Because to understand yesterday's sums. Other sums are little bit typical and are somewhat difficult. So first of all we will go for this sum and then we will understand this thing. Okay. Yes, illustration 12 on page number 22. Find Laspien's, Paasche's and Fisher's index number for the year 2016 with the base year 2015 from the data about price and consumption of food items given below. Consumption means again it is a quantity only. Okay. Yes. Now see. Again, item and unit column is given 2016 and 2015. So 15 is small, so its price and quantity will be 0. 16 is big here, so its price and quantity will be 1. These columns can be in any order. ये कॉलम जो दिए हैं वो कोई भी ऑर्डर में हो सकते हैं, कैसे भी हो सकते हैं. बट जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है कि हमें जो लास्पियर और पाशे के फॉर्मूलाज में जो 2 कॉलम्स आते हैं, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, वो आपको एक ही ऑर्डर में रखना पड़ेगा. ओके. सो नाउ आई एम राइटिंग द फॉर्मूलाज. फर्स्ट कॉलम विल बी ऑफ आइटम. दिस इज illustration 12, friends. Remember that. Item, unit. Then for 2016 we have price and it is a big year, so P1 and its quantity will be Q1. Then 2015 is small year, its price will be 0, its quantity will be Q0. Okay, this column can be in any order. It is dependent on the question. Now what is important is the four columns which are there. P1 Q0, which is used in numerator of last year, P denominator of last year, P1 Q1 numerator of past year, and P0 Q1 denominator of past year. Okay, yes, first I will write the name of items. Okay, rice, milk, bread, banana. Then I will draw the lines. Okay. So this much columns are made. Yes. After that, everyone write the data with very carefully so that you do not incur any errors in the sum. Okay. Now I will write the data. And first of all, decide which columns total you will take. Only last four columns, and first you need to write like this: P1 Q0, then sigma P0 Q0, then sigma P1 Q1, then sigma P0. Clear? Yes. Now I will write the data. Kilogram, liter, kilogram, dozen. Price 40, 44, 50, 36. Now whenever writing the quantity, do not write its units, just write like this only: 1.5, 10, 1.5, again 1.5, 39, 40, 45, 30, then 1, 12, 2, 2. Okay. Now what I said, we have to multiply P1 and Q0. First everyone should find P1 multiply Q0. Okay, 40 multiply 1, 40. Now in the calculator, 44 multiply 12, how much? 528. Then 50 multiply 2, 100. 36 multiply 2, 72. 40, 528, 100, 70. It is 740. Okay. Next. What's next? P0, Q0. So which one? Both this. If you don't require, then don't do with pencil. I am just explaining you. Okay. 39 into 1, 39. Now 40 into 12, 480. Now 45 into 2, 90. 30 into 2, 60. 39, 480, 90, 60. 6, 6, 9. Okay. Yes. Then P1 Q1 means both this. 40 into 1.5 is 60. 44 into 10 is 440. 50 into 1.5 is 75. 36 into 1.5 is 54. Okay, 60 for 40, 75, 54, 6 to 9, 629. And last, which one? P0 Q1. Okay, P0 Q1. 1.5 to 39, 58.5. 10 into 40, 400. 1.5 to 45, 67.5. 1.5 to 30, 45. So 58.5 plus 400 plus 67.5 plus 45 is 571. Okay, so what we have done, the columns are ready. Now find the index. Last year's index number, which is denoted by IL. Okay, IL is sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 multiply 100. Means this is numerator, this is denominator. Okay, 740 divided by 669 multiply 100. 740 divided by 669 multiply 100. So 1110.612. So 61 is cell. Yes. Next. Index number IP is equals to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 multiply 100. 629 divided by 571 multiply 100. Okay, so 629 divided by 571 multiply 100. 1110.157. So 16. This is Paasche. Now Fisher's index number. IF is equals to in square root IL into IP. Okay, so 110.61 into 110.16, and what I said, answer will be in between of both two. We will do 110.6 into 110.16 equal to button, then square root. So 110.384. So 380 itself. What's the sum? Okay, see the sum. So this was our illustration. Now what we are doing, we are taking one more same type of sum but little bit difference. Okay friends, what we have done in this sum, we have just repeated yesterday's topic. 1.3's third sum we have done yesterday. Now to understand basically again we have done this sum, and these are the columns which are given. These are the four columns which we are making, in the format of these index numbers. Now friends, a somewhat little bit new topic for solving 1.3's last sum. Little bit different thing. Now friends, in the question, always what we have been given, suppose in this question itself, then